Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Teaching Corner. Have you ever wondered which one is correct? Less people or fewer people? Many English learners get confused about these two words, but don't worry. In today's lesson, I'll explain the difference in a very simple way with easy examples. Let's get started. What is the difference between fewer and less? Let's begin with fewer. Fewer means a smaller number of things. We use fewer when we can count the things one by one. Ask yourself, can I count it? If the answer is yes, use fewer. For example, there are fewer students in the classroom today. Why do we use fewer? Because students are countable. You can count them. 1 student, 2 students, 3 students. Since we can count students, we say fewer students, not less students. Let's look at another example. She made fewer mistakes in the exam. Again, why fewer? Because mistakes can be counted. 1 mistake, 2 mistakes, 3 mistakes. That's why we say fewer mistakes. Now let's learn less. Less means a smaller amount of something. We use less with things that cannot be counted one by one. These are called uncountable nouns. Ask yourself this simple question: can I count it? If the answer is no, use less. For example, I drink less coffee now. Why less? Because we don't count coffee. We don't say 1 coffee, 2 coffees. Instead, we measure it in cups or liters. So we say less coffee. Let's see another example. We have less time today. Now, why do we use less here? Because time is uncountable. You can't count time itself one by one. That's why we say we have less time today. That's it for today's lesson. I hope the difference between fewer and less is now crystal clear. Now it's your turn. Write 1 sentence using fewer and 1 sentence using less in the comments, and I'll check them for you. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Teaching Corner for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!